Hey guys, Josh from 2Scale Fab. Just finished up my new fertilizer blender. This is the decline in weight system. And then I've also got two other fertilizer blender systems that we have all in 64 scale. So I wanted to show you what we make and show you how it all goes together. Here are the three fertilizer blender systems that we make. We've got the vertical blender system, the horizontal blender system, and then now we just added the decline in weight system. All these come with the unloading conveyors. Let's check out the decline in weight system first. So this comes in 6 hoppers, or if you wanted it different, just let me know. We can do different hopper sizes because these come in sets of 2 like this. So these you just set them next to each other. They don't actually connect so that they're more flexible on your display. And then at the end, we have the macro hoppers. And those again just sit right next to it. And then we've got the conveyor so that you can load trucks with it. So all in all, this is 5 pieces. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And that's ready for your fertilizer dealership. Again, that's 1/64 scale. When this is all lined up, it comes out to about 17 inches long. So you do need quite a big fertilizer building to put this in. And then we've got 2 more that I'm going to show you that would be better if you have like a smaller area for your fertilizer dealership. Now, the next most common one is the vertical blender. You can see the loading hopper there. Use your loader to fill that up. And then it blends in there. And then this also comes with the unloading conveyor. So this unloading conveyor here is a separate piece. So you can position that however you wanted it, depending on how your display has to be set up. You could have it backwards, or you could have it off to the side here. And this one again has the conveyor belt detail in there. So that's good if you're mixing up small batches of fertilizer, or if you have a smaller area on your display for it. And that's the vertical fertilizer blender. And last but not least is the horizontal fertilizer blender setup. This has your loading hopper, and then it also has the blender. So this would unload into the blender, blend it up, then the blender unloads into the conveyor and fills the truck. This blender actually spins like the real thing. The conveyor is the same as with the other ones. It's got the belt detail on it. Using that to load the trucks. So just depending on what type of fertilizer dealership you're trying to set up, you could use the horizontal setup, the vertical mixer setup, or the big decline in weight setup. Each of these conveyors goes up to 2 3/4 inch height, so it'll get over even the bigger floater trucks and spreaders and the fertilizer tenders. So about 2 3/4 inch high. Should be plenty. As always, each of these blender setups is available on my website, www.2scalefab.com. Get these added to your 1/64 scale fertilizer display to make it a little more unique. Thanks for watching.